We're at 200 East Randolph, the Aon Center. We tore out the old plaza, which had several big fountains and rivers that had hundreds of tons of granite that we tore out.
Kind of trying to make it an extension of Millennium Park across the street, invite people to come in off the street for the building tenants. It's somewhere where they can hang out. We have a lot of landscaping out here, paver areas with bench seating, everything.
The job is kind of unique in the sense that it's similar to a roof deck. It's very difficult to work on one area and work linearly off across. We're kind of building on top of each other with each new component.
And we're able to translate our plans and translate our logistic plan to our subcontractors a lot easier. We send out a link and say, hey guys, everything's on Fieldwire. This is our plan. This is how we're getting everything in. This is how we're getting everything out.
That's where the timeline really helps, is being able to instantly be able to send something out and hopefully within a few hours getting an answer, where before it might have been 2, 3, 4 days for that same answer. A lot of people think with technology today it makes your job longer, because you're connected a lot more hours during the day, but I think it also helps shorten the day or shorten the project because you don't have to wait for answers.
We can walk through it. I can pull up plans, pinpoint things, and I can take a picture, upload it, and everything is centrally located in that one spot. And it's just so much easier than having to go back and circle a plan or use a PDF or anything like that.
We've met with Fieldwire representatives on site multiple times, people in the Chicago office and people from LA on the main design teams. They are always available via phone.
Learning Fieldwire was very easy for me. A couple coworkers had a couple sit downs and we were able to get through it. And after 2 sessions of trying to learn it, I feel like I've been using it for a while now. And honestly, my biggest mistake was not getting into it earlier.
Doing the amount of projects that we do in a year does separate us from our competition. The use of Fieldwire has been beneficial for us because, again, mentioning the amount of projects that we have, and it's the small projects and it's the large projects. I mean, we did a $400 million historic renovation, the largest in the country, and we used Fieldwire. That project couldn't have been completed without that technology. Using that on the smaller projects is just as valuable. It's just scale.
Bayer's always trying to be a leader in this industry, and that word gets thrown around a lot, but what leading is to us is just taking charge when people have difficulties, and this is one of the tools we use to do that.
Once it's all said and done, the space is going to be much more inviting for everyone, not just the tenants of the building, but it'll be inviting for anybody walking by.